This video will teach you how to create a portfolio using Schoology. You're going to click on your name and then the Portfolios tab. Once that page loads, you're going to click the plus button to add a new portfolio. First thing to do is give your portfolio a name. Mine's Mr. Kelly's Writing Portfolio. You're obviously going to go with your name and Writing Portfolio. In addition, you're going to add a brief description of what's inside the portfolio, your 6th grade final drafts, and your reflections. Once you have updated the description section, you can go ahead and add your first portfolio item by clicking the plus sign next to portfolio items. We're going to go down to the page option to add our first item. When that loads, once again, we're going to give it a title. Our first project was the personal narrative, so go ahead and add that. In addition, I want you to add a brief description of what your story was about. For instance, my story was about my brother Shane getting attacked by Yellow Jackets, so I'm going to go ahead and add that. And when your description's in there, you're ready to add your first content. To do this, first go ahead and click inside the box below, and then you're going to actually pull up your Google Doc containing your final draft. Select the content you wish to copy and paste. Once you've selected it, you can either use Control-C or right-click and copy. Return to the portfolio page. Inside the box, you're either going to Control-V to paste it, or you can right-click and click Paste. I actually made a little bit of an error, so I'm going to fix that right now. Once your content appears inside the document, you can go ahead and check it over to make sure it looks right, fix anything that needs fixing. For instance, they moved my title over, so I'm going to fix it and recenter my title. There's a preview button as well in case you want to see how it looks. And then you're going to go ahead and return to the initial page. You can see it's there. The next step is for us to add our writing tracker. We're going to use the link option for this to link our tracker in from Google Docs. So you'll open up your tracker in Google Docs and copy the URL. Again, you can either use Control-C or right-click copy. Go back to our portfolio page and paste the link into our link URL section and click Add Link. And this way our tracker will be easily accessible throughout the year. You'll be able to open it and update it from this page. My tracker is taking a little while to load, but that's fine. Once you've added this, you can return to your portfolio page and you should be good to go.